sweetie? How's your sleep? Good, good, good. How's your stomach doing? It's doing good, it's feeling better. That's good. What about your head? Are you still feeling sick? No, that's good. I'm glad. I'm glad you're not feeling sick anymore. Start feeling better, sweetie. You know, everything's gonna be okay. I promise. No, sweetie. Can I get you anything? Anything whatsoever. Can I get you water, breakfast, anything you want? You want a purse? You want a Chanel purse? Birkin's bag? Anything you want, princess. Just let me know, okay? I see. You want me to cuddle with you? Yeah, I can cuddle with you. You know, it's gonna be the three of us pretty soon. Me, you, and the baby. To me, it's still a little bit wild. I really thought in a million years that I would never be a father. But having one on the way with you, it's such a dream come true, honestly. I'm so lucky. No, sweetie. Don't worry, okay? Everything's gonna be okay. You know, it's my first time too. The baby's gonna be fine. We'll learn. We'll learn together as we grow. No, I know. The baby's gonna be so beautiful. Just like you. But you don't have to worry, sweetheart. I'll take care of you. And I'll take care of the baby. I'll be there every step of the way. Let me feel your belly. It's so smooth. I think I can feel the baby. The baby's kicking a little bit. I can feel it. I still can't believe that we're gonna be parents. I know, it's wild. It's crazy. I love you. No, sweetie. Don't worry, okay? You don't need to worry. You really don't. Of course, you're gonna be a great mother. You're gonna be a really, really great mother. I know you are. Well, It's the reason because you're so nurturing. You're so kind. And you're so loving. And that's why I fell in love with you in the first place. And that's how I know that you're gonna be such a good mother. I mean, of course I'm gonna be a good father. I'm gonna be a good father, okay? I'm gonna love her child and I'm gonna love you. I mean, you guys are my everything. I'm gonna raise her kid the best that I can. I'm gonna take care of the baby and I'm gonna take care of you. Okay? Because you guys are my baby. And you guys are really my everything. I remember. I remember when I first saw you. And I thought you were the most beautiful girl in the world. I was so scared. I was so scared to approach you. I was nervous. But I'm glad I did. And when you gave me a number, I was shocked and excited at the same time. And when we went on our first day, I fell madly in love with you. I really did. I still remember. And I still remember what you wore. I remember the perfume you were wearing. I can still smell it today. You were just so kind, so caring, so nurturing. And that day I knew you were the one that I wanted to spend my life with. And here we are now. We're gonna have a family together. I know it's such a wild journey, but I'm glad. I'm glad I get to spend this journey with you. I love you so much, sweetheart. No, baby. The baby's kicking. It's kicking kind of hard. I see. How's your belly doing? I see, it hurts a little bit. Here, let me grab you that heated water bottle, okay? I'll make sure to microwave it for you. Give me 1 second. Here you go, sweetie. I got you your warm water bottle. Here, let me put this on your belly, yeah. There you go. Doesn't it feel better? Does, huh? Of course. I'll do anything for you guys. Anything for you and the baby. Here, scoot over a bit. Let me cuddle with you. You know, you have the most beautiful eyes in the world. I'm serious. Your eyes are really, really something special. I mean, I'm not telling you this just to impress you or anything. I just happen to notice them. I mean, I've always noticed them. It's just that sometimes, your eyes, they sparkle. They do. Especially when you talk about something you love. Sometimes it can be kind of distracting, but I don't mind it. I mean, honestly, who wouldn't get lost in your eyes? I mean, I do. All the time. I do. And sometimes when the light just hits your eyes just right, they glow. Your eyes glow. You have this unique beauty that I can't help notice. But honestly, sweetheart, you should be really, really careful. Because with eyes like those, you might steal someone's heart without even trying. You got the most beautiful lips in the world. You do. Your lips are really beautiful. There's something about your lips that just draws me in. They really do. And when you smile, you light up the whole room. And it feels like everything just fades away. But me and you. And it just makes me feel so lucky to just be here with you. And when you speak, I can listen to you for hours. Your voice and the combination with the way your lips move. It's just mesmerizing. It makes everything you say feel so special. And I just want you to know I appreciate all of you. Your lips are not just beautiful, they also hold this warmth and kindness that makes it so comforting to be close to you.